Hello Mitya, how are you today?
Hello, I am good, thank you. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you. So here today we are having discussion with our stakeholders. So how how we establish open communication with stakeholders. To establish open communication process with stakeholders, we must implement or implement clear and consistent strategies that foster transparency and engagement.
Okay.
Regular updates through emails, newsletters, or reports ensure that the stakeholders are well informed about ongoing developments. Scheduled meetings and check-ins provide an opportunity to discuss progress, address concerns, and gather feedbacks. Encouraging an open door policy allows stakeholders to voice their opinions freely, promoting trust and collaboration. So what issues we can concern and problem needs to be communicated with stakeholder is currently several unresolved issues need to be communicated to stakeholders to ensure collective problem solving and informed discussion making. One major concern is the supply chains delay caused by the temporary factory closure. And additionally, the sales teams is overwhelmed by an unprecedented influx of lead, potentially leading to delayed response and missed opportunities. The transition to remote learning has also presented challenges in software adaptation, requiring urgent updates and support to ensure smooth functionality for schools. Furthermore, the rapid post-COVID-19 growth is turning operational capacity, making it necessary to explore expansion strategies. Lastly, teachers and schools using the AI-driven learning systems may require additional platform training support to maximize the effectiveness of the platform. Communication these issues proactively will allow stakeholders to contribute insight and collaborative on wild solutions. How we receive feedback from stakeholders and how we address these concerns. Stakeholders provide valuable feedback regarding several key areas of concerns. One primary issue raised was the delay in product delivery due to supply chain disruption, which affected school relying on timed shipments. Additionally, some stakeholders expressed concerns about effectiveness of remote learning adaptation, highlighting the needs for better use, support, and training for teachers. The sales team also received feedback regarding slow response times due to the increased demand, which led to concern about potential missed opportunities. Furthermore, investors and senior management emphasized the need for long-term strategy to manage the rapid growth post-COVID-19 to ensure sustainable operations. To address these concerns, immediate action were taken to improve process and enhance stakeholder confidence. For supply chains issues, alternative suppliers were identified and production schedules were optimized to minimize delays. Additional customer support staff were assigned to assist schools and teachers with software adjustments. And new training sessions were developed to ensure salesman adaptation of AI-driven learning tools to manage the sales team's workload. Automated responses and CRM tools were implemented to improve efficiency and maintain engagement with potential clients. Lastly, our strategic growth plan was drafted focusing on operational scalability and sustainability expansions, which was presented to senior management and investor for approval. These measures ensured that the stakeholder concerns were not only acknowledged effectively, the measure stakeholders acknowledged but effectively addressed to maintain strong partnership and business continuity. Can you have a look on a presentation of PowerPoint which I just shared with you? If you can open Then you can see on the first page, this is a project overview,
Okay.
managing communication, issues and feedback without stakeholder. And here, establishing open communication with stakeholder, regular updates through emails, and schedule meeting, check-ins to discuss progress, address concerns and gather feedbacks. Multiple communication channels, video calls, phone calls, face-to-face to ensure effective reach, transparency in sharing both success and challenges to build credibility, active listening to respond appropriately to concern and demonstrate collaborations. Unresolved issues needing communication. Current unresolved issue to communicate: supply chains delay, sales teams overload, remote learning adaptation, post-COVID-19 growth, AI learning system. We have to talk openly on these unresolved issues with stakeholders. And addressing stakeholder concerns, feedback and concerns. In supply chain issues, identify alternative suppliers and optimize production schedules, remote learning adaptation as an additional support staff and develop new training sessions for school and teachers. Sales team workload, implemented automated response and CRM tools to improve efficiency and maintain engagement. Post COVID-19 growth, for that, draft a strategic growth plan focusing on stability and present it to senior management and investors. AI learning system support, increase customer support resources and provide training to ensure smoother adaptation of AI tools. The key action have to taken is immediate action to address issue, supply chains, improve supplier relationships and optimize production to minimize delays. Sales team support, improved CRM systems and added support to reduce missed opportunity. Additional training and support for teachers to ensure smoother transition to remote learning. Focus on sustainable expansions and operational scalability to strategic growth plan. And request for feedback, like we have questions for stakeholders, like what additional strategies can we implement to reduce supply chains delay? How can we further enhance the efficiency of our sales response? Are there other areas where additional support is needed for remote learning? Open discussion and feedback survey for continuous improvement.
Okay.
And our next step is continue engage stakeholders for ongoing feedback, finalize extension and growth strategies, implement any additional suggestions or strategies, rise during the meeting, schedule follow-up meeting for further updates. Thank you and feel free for ask your and share your thoughts and feedback. I'm happy to give answers and I will review this.
Thank you.
Thank you for today.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.